Good day to each and every one of you. Today, we want to look at a very important aspect of digital forensic. And from our previous classes, we discussed about digital forensic, what digital forensic is all about, and everything we need to know about digital forensic. So please, if you have not gone through that, please take your time and go through it. I'm going to leave the link to it on the comment section. Please try and go through it. So today will be a hands-on practical. We'll be looking at different areas of computer forensic and what we should do on computer forensic and different tools that we can use to carry out computer forensic. So the first tool we'll look at is called FTK Imager, and it's used for creating disk image. What is imaging? Image simply means creating a replica of your evidence item, creating a clone or a replica of your evidence item for maybe for analysis or for further investigation. So for analysis, we'll be making use of digital autopsy, and then for recovery, we'll be making use of Wondershare Recoverit and seller data recovery. And for repair, we'll make use of Wondershare Recoverit. So please stay tuned as we continue on this. So I'm going to take you directly to my desktop right now, to my system, and we will see step by step on how to go about it. But for now, or for this session, we'll be focusing on recovery, how to recover deleted files, how to repair your corrupt videos, how to recover different things from different storage like your laptop, your recycle bin, your flash drive, your hard disk, your camera, and so on and so forth. That is what we'll be looking at today, how to actually achieve that. So please make sure you stay tuned as we continue with this. What we want to look at right now is, as I said, is how to carry out all these analysis. So please stay with me as we actually continue on doing this. So go to your system. I'm going to, please stay tuned as I continue. I'm going to go to my system right now. So this is my system. I've downloaded this already. We are making use of Wondershare Recoverit. So this is Wondershare Recoverit. So Wondershare Recoverit is used for recovery purpose. You will be making use of two tools, Wondershare Recoverit and seller data recovery. So I want to show you the installation, actually the installation process on how to go about browser or in browser of your choice to download it. But then if you download it directly from the Wondershare platform, it will ask you to pay for it. So I've already have the premium versions, which I will leave on I will send you the link on the platform, put the link on the platform for you to download. So if you have downloaded this straight, I want to show you the installation process. So I've downloaded it. Let me hear it. Okay, it's under my forensic tools. So I'll go to forensic. So it will come up like this. It will come up as like this. So all you need to do is to actually what you need to do now is to unzip it. So you right click on it. So if your system is not zipping directly, please make use of unzipping tools like WinRAR to unzip it. So when you unzip it, you have a folder like this. So it will come with two folders, a setup and also another folder. So what you need to do, first of all, you run this setup. That means install it at the normal installation. Then you open this file and then copy everything here. Copy everything that is here like this. Go to your local disk C and go to program 86 and go to program 86. Search for Wondershare Recoverit and you see the Recoverit, and then come back here and paste everything and replace it with the existing one on the folder. So that is all you need before you actually launch the application. When you are through with this, you can now go back to run your application. But before you run your application, make sure you do that I just show you right now. So I'm going to show you how to go about the analysis process. So I hope we are following. So the first tool we are using is called Wondershare Recoverit. That is the first tools we are using, Wondershare Recoverit. I'll be making use of data recovery later, but now we are making use of what? Wondershare Recoverit. So I want to go further to what we have next, back to this, and then this is the tools here. So this is the tools here right now. So right click on it, and run as administrator. So this is the Wondershare Recoverit. So as you look at it right now, so let's take a look at it. So here, this particular one aside is, so let's take a look at it and see what it will give us. So close it, say remind me later. So close it right now. So maximize it. So you see hard disk, it says hard disk drive and location. This hard disk drive and location is to tell you where you can actually install, you can actually recover something from. You see SD card, you see SD card here. This SD card is actually telling that, oh, you can recover data from your video or from your memory card. So you can also recover photos and video. If it is for photo and video you want alone, you can also use this to repair your video as well. You see add video, you can add video now, or you can use it to get data from your crash computer or from NAS or Linux system. So for example, if you click on here, see this hard drive and this hard drive and location right now. If you click on it right now, you can recover something from anywhere. So let us just take a try and see what we want to do right now. So I'm going to delete something from this recycle bin, and then I'm going to delete something from my system, and I'll go to the recycle bin and delete it, and you see how I'll be able to do the recovery processes. So stay tuned. So we'll do that right now. So right now I'm going to go to my system. So I'll go to my picture. And delete some things from my picture. So I'm going to delete this item from my picture. So I've deleted it. I'll go to my recycle bin and also delete them too. I also delete them from my recycle bin. So I've already deleted them from my recycle bin. So nothing is in my recycle bin again. So since nothing is in my recycle bin, let's see how we can go back to the tools right now and run it again. Recover from my laptop to actually recover from my laptop to another storage space. So I'm going to add my flash drive right now. So right now I'm going to add my flash drive. Let me show you. So this is my flash drive. So this flash drive, I'm going to attach it now to this flash drive to my system so that I'll be able to recover what we just what we have just scanned into my devices. So this is what I'll just follow through as I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to put it here. So we'll go back again and see. Let's see what we have. So let's see what we have. So you can see it has shown right now. So it has shown now. So I'm going to click on this, and you now see what? Recover. So it has finished recovering. So it will open my system, and you see where we have recovered it to. So you can see the picture here, the recovery picture here. So you can actually see it here right now. So you can see it here right now. So it has finished recovery. So this is how to recover items. This is how to recover items from your system, or from your using your Wondershare Recoverit. Using your Wondershare Recoverit. So you can also I'm going to stop the process right now. So before we continue, I want to make sure that you don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So please click on the subscription button to subscribe to the channel, or follow us, and also comment on. And if you have any question, please leave it on the comment section. We will respond to you as quick as possible whenever we see such a question. So let's continue to see how we will be able to do other things, like maybe repairing our videos, or maybe recovering something from our flash drive, or recover something from our crash devices. So please follow through as we actually continue. So right now we are on back to our listing, to our tool. So I'm going to click on. So if I want to recover something from my flash drive, I'll select my flash drive, which I just put, which is drive D, or I'll select hard disk, local disk. If I want to recover everything from my system, or I want to recover something from this image, I'll do that. Then I will talk about this image later. So if I want to recover something from memory card, I can do that. Attach a memory card there. All I need to do is to click scan. It will scan, but then it will take us much time. So on your own, please try and do that. Then this is enhanced recovery. Enhanced recovery is only used to recover lost video and photo only. So it is not recovering other data type. It's only recover photo and video. Then corrupt video recovery. So that means if your video is corrupt as a result of accidental damage, or recording after a crash, or water damage, or shaking, or falling, or battery dead, or unexpected shutdown during video recording, and maybe the video is no longer working, you can do that. Also, video was recovered but failed to play, or repair video from a widely used camera brand. So any of these can actually, or system crash computer. Maybe your system crash, maybe you're having your boot system not be able to boot. That means access your computer tab by creating a bootable USB, or a blue screen of death, or a black screen of death. So such a thing is actually, so you can click start to. So when you click start now, it will, but please make sure you attach a flash drive to it first. So when you attach a flash drive to it, and or you can, when you attach a flash drive to it, when you attach a flash drive to it, you can actually go back and then pick the flash drive, and then when you search the flash drive, then click start. It will recover all your data from the crash system for the flash drive. Remember, it's only the data it will recover. It's not going to recover. It's not going to repair the disk itself. It's going to do only recovery processes. Then this is NAS. NAS is actually used to recover something from Linux system devices, or even NAS server. So these are the things you can do with Wondershare Recovery. So stay tuned. In our next class, we'll be talking about how to make use of another tool called Seller Data. So take two, and see you in our next class. And don't forget to actually like our courses, or follow us on our channel for more details, or for more cybersecurity related course. And see you in our next class.